everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you few kurti designs which are best paired with plazo pants. So please continue watching the video till the end to get some idea about the kurtis you can pair with your simple plain plazos. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.